Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account supports manual codes. Many services show a secret key next to the QR. Sign in and go straight to two-step verification or security settings, then choose the option that says Set up an Authenticator app rather than scanning a QR. Once you see the long alphanumeric secret key, copy it exactly, including any spaces shown. Make sure you're on a secure device. The next steps convert that key into time-based codes you can use immediately. You now open Google Authenticator and tap the option to enter a setup key manually. Type a clear account name so you can identify the entry later, then paste the secret key exactly as provided. Select time-based, TOT, rather than counter-based to match most services. Once the app shows a 6-digit code, immediately enter that code on the service's verification screen. This confirms synchronization. If it fails, adjust device time and retry. Accurate clock sync is crucial for code. Finish by saving any backup codes the service offers and consider exporting or noting the secret key in a secure password manager for future device changes. If the code you enter is rejected, first ensure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time and then re-enter the secret key carefully. Small typos break the top. If problems persist, use the service's recovery options or contact support, but only after exhausting backup codes and rechecking the key and time sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.